What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making a mint and chocolate no-bake cheesecake with an Oreo crust. This is one of my favorite recipes. Here is a list of today's ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. To make the crust, take 10 Oreos and crush up finely in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. You could also use a food processor. To the cookies, add 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix until it looks like wet sand. Using a spring form pan, spray the bottom and sides of the pan. Add your cookie crust with the flat end of a glass. Press the crust into the bottom of the pan. Place in the freezer to set while you make your filling. I'm using 2 boxes of no-bake cheesecake. Follow box instructions. To this recipe, don't forget to add the half a teaspoon peppermint extract to your milk. Add the cheesecake mix. Add 10 drops of green food coloring. Add your cheesecake to the pan. Cover your cheesecake and set in the fridge for at least 2 hours to set. Just before you remove your cheesecake from the fridge, make your chocolate ganache to go on top. Warm up 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, pour over 3/4 semi-sweet chocolate chips. Remove your cake from the pan. And then add that delicious chocolate topping. So good. Absolutely delicious. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.